For all the haters that said it couldn't be done, which is absolutely no one, because I have 0 subscribers as of right now. He is powering this gaming PC with a bicycle. Hello and welcome to Curing Nescience. Today we're testing my bicycle power generator. Recently, I built a generator that's powered by a bicycle, and if you'd like to see that video, be sure to click the link at the top of the video or down in the description. Today, me and my friend Mason are going to be taking that generator out into a park and testing it. It's a very practical way, you know, you just pack up and you head out and you just go play some video games. Who needs like personal gaming devices? I don't, I have a bike.
You're doing great, dude.
You know what? This is as good a spot as any, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh! I forgot the disc!
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
We got some bleacher.
Let's do it. It's taking longer than I thought it would.
Just testing it.
Well, setting up in general. A nice mouse pad. Hello, today we're going to be testing our bicycle-powered gaming PC. I brought with me today an expert in the art of gaming, Grandmaster Widow player, Mason.
Hello.
He's going to be showing us how it's done, using our bicycle-powered gaming PC. Let's get to it. Alright, saddle up, big boy. We have to hit on. The monitor is coming on. Yes.
Slowly.
I might have to turn the brightness up.
Brightness already at 97.
Oh gosh, it's already turned. Okay, can you see the mouse? The mouse is not plugged in. I just realized that. If you go faster than that, you might actually damage it.
Oscillations will improve my aiming ability.
Keep pedaling! Yeah, that's the pace you want to be at right there. Homie
They tell me calling.
lit boy. That's my password. In case any of you want to use my hotspot. See, there are no additional wires running to this bike. It is just a self-contained power unit. Oh no! It's patching. So the Overwatch update is not going to work. So we're going to have to do the next best thing I can think of. We're going to go play some cool math games. We're going to the pro games. What do we want to play? Mr. Blast? Turn Tower? Jeez, I don't even know any of these. Oh look! Generator, can you keep the power on? Hold on, let me just go. Oh, I caught that. When I dropped it, it went off video, dude. It's working.
Oh yeah.
The replacement for the DS. It cut power.
Did it really?
Yeah, seriously. Because we dropped below 12 volts. Because you stopped pedaling. Well, that means it works.
Dude.
It works! Oh wait, that means my computer crashed. That's not good. That's what the battery was supposed to prevent. Okay, so while I'm playing one of the most intense games imaginable, Generator on Cool Math Games, Mason is producing 15? No, that's 12. That's 12, yeah. 12.1 volts of electricity consistently. That's enough to power it by himself and bypass the battery. Do you feel like you've accomplished something today, Mason?
I'd say accomplished probably isn't
I
right.
can't hear you. You're talking to the... Talk this way. You have to talk loud.
I'd say accomplished is probably not the right word. Yeah, I was kind of coerced into this.
Oh. Alright, here's the agreed upon rate
Oh,
for your services.
I appreciate it.
Thank you.
And I gotta be honest, like, I'm not a Grandmaster Widow player or anything. I play Torb.
So I think that concludes this test. Thanks for watching, I guess. Alright, so it's safe to assume that not everything went according to plan during that test. We forgot the mouse pad, and I didn't update the client before we left. But all in all, I think it was a success. We had a lot of fun and proved that the device I built actually worked. If you liked what you saw today, be sure to subscribe with notifications turned on so that you don't miss anything. Thanks for sticking around. We'll see you next time. Okay, love you, bye.
If only I could move the mouse.
Oh, it's okay, so it's a WASD game, that's perfect. No need for a mouse.
Bro, I think you need the mouse to restart.
I can't even imagine what your butt feels like. Dude, that's not comfortable.
No. Well, things are made for, like, I have no clue. People with just,
Really tight booties.
yeah, thigh gaps and
It's not for us yoked bros.
No.
With the fat butts.